Hello friends and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this segment of the video, I'm going to show you how to create content pack in Power BI service. Now our major focus out here would be how to create a content pack with the existing visualization that we have created in Power BI and how to share that report across all the colleagues that I have in my organization. Now in order to create this content pack, we have to go under the setting tabs, and the moment you click on that gear icon, the very first option you will be seeing that how much storage that you have consumed so far, and the option right below it will show create a content pack. Now the moment you click on it, you will see a dialog box like this in front of you. Now out here you have the option where you can create this content pack for a specific group of people or for entire organization. Now whenever you select specific group of people, a bar which will come out there, you will type the email address of your colleagues. So at that time you can be very much specific that with whom you are sharing this content pack. Now whenever I select my entire organization, at that time this option will not be there. Alright, moving on with the next one is the title. Obviously you will like to give a title to your content as well, right? And it is always recommended that you give the description as well along with it, so that people who are searching for this content pack will know what needs to be found and what is the content inside it. So you make sure that you give certain description so that it becomes easier for the user to search for your content. Now moving on with the next one, if you scroll just below it, out there you will also find an option to give an image as well. So you can upload an image out there as well, but you have to make sure that it should be less than 45 KB. Alright guys, so you can upload any image out there, and the next thing it will ask you to select the item that you would like to publish. So out here you can see your dashboards, and you can simply select on that dashboard and simply click on publish. The moment you click on publish, your content pack will be created and anyone can access. If you are using it for entire organization, it can be accessed by everyone. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and see how to create this content pack in our practical approach. Hello friends and welcome. In this segment of the video, I'm going to show you how to create content pack in Power BI services. So let's get started off. You simply have to move to the top right corner of your screen, and out there you will find a setting gear box. Simply click on that setting gear box, and the very first option that you see out here is create content pack. I will click on this. The moment I click on this, a new interface is opened up, and now it is asking you bunch of questions. So let's go by one. So the very first thing it is asking me, choose who will have access to this content pack. So I can be specific that the content pack which I will be creating will be only accessible to specific groups or to the entire organization. So it is completely up to you that which option you select. I will say specific groups. So after that you need to mention the name of the group or the name of your colleague which you want to share it with and be a part of this content pack, and I simply click on their name. The moment you click on their name, you can see it has been added out here. You can also add multiple names out here. Alright, moving on with the next one, the title. It is asking me what should be the title for your content pack. I'll say this is for sales and finance group, and only those people from sales and finance should be able to view this content pack. Alright, moving on to the next one, it is asking you to set the description, that what you want to describe, or would you want to give some extra piece of information to the group of people who will be viewing this content pack. Alright, also if I move down out here, you can see that it is giving me an option to upload an image or your company logo. So it is completely your choice whether you want to upload an image or not, but uploading an image should give a very good effect to your content pack, and it can be much more specific that what this content pack is talking about. If I upload the sales employees photo out here, so it will be very much clear that it is talking about for the sales employees. Alright, so you can be specific, but make sure that the any file that you have uploaded should be less than 45 KB or less than 4:3 aspect ratio. So make sure that you follow that. Now let me show you if what happens if I upload a file which is greater than 43 KB. I have this file out here. This is logo. I'll hit on open. So what it says that the file size must be less than 45 KB. So I'll go back to default and it will be empty as of now. The last thing it will ask you to do is select the item that you want to publish in this content pack. So I have created two dashboards. If you remember, we have created two dashboard out here. You can select any of the dashboard that you want to include in that content pack. Let's say I would like to include this pin live dashboard. I will simply click on it. The moment you click on it, if you notice, the report and the dataset file is automatically being selected out here. So whenever I select any dashboard, the report along with it and the dataset along with it is automatically selected. Now even if I want to, I cannot uncheck this because it is by default. Alright guys, so this is how you can basically put all the information, and after putting all the information about your content pack and what are the items that you want to publish, you simply hit on the publish button and your content pack will be created. It is as simple as that. Alright guys, so this is how you can create content pack in Power BI services. Hopefully guys like this video. See you until next time.